everyone, it's Erin Reed with Expo International, and today we're going to make a cute little tote from some of the products that you can get at the Expo International store. So what we are starting with first is you need a good fabric glue, like Rhinestone from Beacon, a pair of scissors. We also have the tote. This tote is called the Linwood Bold Chevron Stripe Tote Bag, and all supplies are listed below for you to find these. We also have the Olga Gem Rhinestones trim. And then we have the Sean 2.5 gold cap tassels in black. Now, you can obviously change the few things if you would like to have a different color of trim, and there are a wide variety of different colors of tassels, but we have stuck with black for this particular project. So the beautiful thing about this particular project is that you have these chevrons that are already placed on here. So the first step we're going to do is we're going to cut down our gemstone trim so that it is going to fit, and we're going to do a zigzag going all the way across our trim lines. So you measure in about the same. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, about 9 in width I think will be good. Just come in and trim it. And we're just going to kind of cut our length of our pieces to fit before we glue them down. I'm going to come in, and this time I'm going to butt it up going the other direction. So it's going to line up right next to it, coming down. And we're going to trim it down to be about the same length. This time we're only going to go 8 gems in length. So it creates that zigzag pattern. Now we're going to come up and go up again. So all you're going to keep doing is you're going to keep on cutting in this diagonal pattern, zigzag pattern going all the way along. And I'm going to go ahead and speed that up. So now that I've got my zigzag lined out and I just cut them to fit and make it look good, we're going to come in and we are going to glue these in place. Now these are iron-on, but I feel like it's a little hard to get in here with my iron on this tote bag, and glue is amazing. So start at one end, add a little bit of glue, and stick it down. Come in with the next piece, add a little bit of glue. And if you notice, I am offsetting. So you come in and the next one starts on the edge to create that diagonal. You're going to continue doing that, following the diagonal, going along the chevron, the black chevron. You could also do it in the, instead of in the black section, you could do it in the natural section, but I love the contrast of the gems on the black. And just continue following the pattern until you go all the way down. All right, so now that everything is glued down, the next thing you're going to do is you're going to take your tassels and come here in the center to create a little bit of interest. You take a little bit of glue and add it to the very top of your tassel and just stick it down. You want to add it to not only the gold section, but a little bit to the tassel as well, just to give it a little bit more strength and sturdiness as you're gluing it onto the bag. So it's not just being stuck on in one location. You're giving it a little bit more of an anchor point. So come through, stick it down, and then just let everything dry. You went from a cute tote and made it even cuter by using some beautiful rhinestone trim and some little tassels. Again, you can personalize this even more by changing up the color, or by changing up the color or the shape of the trim that is on there. All supplies are listed below for where you can find these amazing products from Expo International. Thank you much for stopping by, and I will see you guys again soon here on the Expo International channel, and please subscribe. Bye-bye.